Ever wondered how women's sweaters have evolved over time? Let's dive into the origins of this versatile garment. Picture the early 20th century, a time when sweaters were primarily used for warmth. Hand-knitted and made from wool, these early sweaters were simple in design, often featuring neutral colors and basic patterns. This simplicity was a reflection of the practical purposes they served. They were not yet seen as fashion statements, but as necessary garments to protect against the cold. The focus was on function rather than form, durability rather than design. The early sweater was a testament to our ancestors' ingenuity, their ability to create a garment that was both practical and comfortable. These early designs laid the foundation for the evolution of the sweater, setting the stage for the diverse range of styles we see today. Though they started as simple, practical garments, sweaters began to evolve into more fashionable items as the decades rolled on. As we move through the 20th century, the sweater begins to take on a life of its own. Emerging from the utilitarian world of the early 1900s, sweaters transitioned into a fashion staple during the Roaring '20s. In the 1950s, the sweater girl look took center stage, defined by chic, cropped designs that emphasized the female form. These sweaters, often paired with high-waisted skirts, became a symbol of youthful elegance and femininity. As we rolled into the 1960s and 70s, societal changes and cultural revolutions influenced sweater styles. The era of flower power brought us vibrant, psychedelic patterns and more relaxed, bohemian silhouettes. Sweaters became a canvas for self-expression, reflecting the decade's spirit of freedom and individuality. The 1980s, often described as the decade of excess, saw sweaters take a bold turn. Bright colors, geometric patterns, and oversized knits dominated the fashion scene. Think bold shoulder pads and chunky cable knit designs. This decade was all about making a statement, and the sweater was no exception. Then came the 1990s, a decade marked by a shift towards minimalism and grunge. Oversized styles continued to trend, but with a more relaxed, casual vibe. Sweaters became less about making a statement and more about comfort and functionality. This was the era of slouchy, boyfriend-style sweaters and cozy, turtleneck designs. Technological advancements in textile production also played a significant role in the sweater's evolution. The introduction of synthetic fibers like acrylic and polyester in the mid-20th century led to more affordable, easy-care options. This democratization of fashion allowed sweaters to become a wardrobe staple for women of all walks of life. With the dawn of the new millennium, sweaters continued to evolve, reflecting the ever-changing landscape of women's fashion. From the early 2000s, penchant for novelty and whimsy, to the 2010 SE embrace of sustainable materials and ethical fashion, the sweater remains a versatile and beloved garment, constantly adapting to the rhythm of the times. In the 21st century, the sweater has become a fashion staple, offering endless possibilities for personal expression. Today, women's sweaters embody a diverse range of styles and silhouettes, each with its own unique charm and appeal. From sleek, form-fitting styles that hug the body to oversized knits that drape effortlessly, modern sweaters are a testament to the dynamic nature of women's fashion. The use of various materials, from traditional wool to innovative blends, has expanded the realm of possibilities, offering a multitude of textures and finishes. Patterns have also evolved, with intricate cable knits, playful stripes, and bold color blocks, offering countless ways to showcase personal style. The influence of global fashion trends is evident in the eclectic mix of designs available, from the minimalist Nordic aesthetics to the vibrant hues and patterns inspired by cultures around the world. A significant trend shaping the sweater industry is sustainability. The increased awareness about the environmental impact of fashion has led to a surge in demand for eco-friendly materials and production methods. As we move forward, we can expect to see more sweaters made from recycled or plant-based fibers and a greater emphasis on ethical labor practices. So, from humble beginnings as a practical garment to a versatile fashion statement, the evolution of women's sweaters is a fascinating journey through time. So, we've traversed through the decades witnessing the evolution of women's sweaters. From the humble beginnings of woolen warmth to the parade of patterns and fabrics we see today, the sweater has truly transformed. It's a testament to the dynamic nature of fashion, constantly adapting to societal shifts and individual tastes. We've seen oversized knits, sleek styles, and everything in between. Who knows what the future holds for the humble sweater? But one thing's for certain, it will continue to evolve, reflecting the tastes and influences of the time.